Alright guys, so the guy came and look at the kitchen, man. How did we do this? Look at the walls, all shit. And look at my cookers, the fridge, all things. We still need to do a lot, but we worked like 8 hours for it. And this is my guy. He helped me cleaning. So this is how it looks like. We still need to do a lot, but yeah, we did it somehow really good for today. So it is really different, like you saw from yesterday. Nice and clean. So we still need to do the floors. We couldn't do the floor. It is really hard. So we'll do again tomorrow the floor. Alright guys, so let me know how did we did this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow with the next day 3 video. We'll be doing the restaurant part. Thank you for watching.